Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review simple micellar cleansing water. I am using this for more than 2 years now. I purchased it in 2021. It comes in a plastic solid container like this. This is my old container. Now they have changed the design a little bit. It contains 200 ml of product and the price is 450 rupees and the shelf life is 30 months. As mentioned here, this is specially for sensitive skin. I never had any problem after using this. It doesn't contain any artificial perfume or color. There is no harsh chemical, no alcohol and no mineral oils. This product is PETA certified and cruelty free. It contains vitamin B3, vitamin C and triple purified water. I will mention the whole ingredient list in my description box. It's just like water, you won't even feel a thing. There is no smell, no oily or creamy texture. It feels like I am removing my makeup with normal water. I prefer micellar water over cleansing milk as my makeup remover. I just love this product because it is so easy to use, hassle-free and effective product. The instruction says you don't need to rinse after, but if I have the chance, I always wash my face with water after using it because it's always good to keep your skin clean. You just need to pour it on a cotton pad, wipe the cotton pad to remove the makeup. No need to rub it or apply pressure. Just gently clean your makeup. It removes waterproof, transfer-proof lipsticks very efficiently, even the most long-lasting ones. This is my review. I hope this video will help you to decide whether you should buy it or not. I'm not sure if this product is available offline, so I will mention the online buying links in my description box and in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next video.